Hey miners, and welcome back. Rusty Miner coming at you with another Amazon budget brand spotlight. Today we're going to look at a brand I found on Amazon called Cool Hand. And maybe you guys will take and find them. This one's called the Beast Tiger Stripe. So when I ordered this one, I did get the last Tiger Stripe, but they make a blue one, and I think these are running in the $16 and $17 range. So coolhandgear.com, I haven't went to that site, and looks like Bellevue, Washington. Maybe they got customer service there, and I got a coupon for 15% off. It did come wrapped in some nice tissue type paper. It says Cool Hand on there. So let's get this out, see if it's worth, what would I say, $15, $16. So that's what our Tiger Stripe is looking like. Advertised as G10, and I believe it's advertised as 440 stainless steel. Has this type of pocket clip. Some people like that, give you a little something to grab onto, and lanyard hole. Nice decorative pivot. No jimping on the flipper. There's your hardware. Open frame construction with no milling. Pretty decent size standoffs there. Go ahead and open this one up. Okay, it felt like a little drag, and that could be just the size of this blade here. Just when you go, you can actually feel flow. But so there's the knife on the Beast. And one of the things I liked is they put bomb on here. Definitely got sort of a dual grind, multi-grind going on here. Can't really describe this blade shape. It's a Tonto and sort of a clip point with a swedge on there. Pretty neat. They got Cool Hand etched in there, or laser or sticker, and 440C stainless steel. There's our stop pin here. Looks nice and big. How's the lockup? It's okay. It's not perfect, but it's good. Liner seems just a little bit thinner than I like. Good access to the liner lock. We'll push that over, and we'll go ahead and open this one up just a bit. Okay, so again, I do like these flipper knives because that flipper will come down and save your thumb. Running on bearings. And let's see. Okay, so it's getting it done. How's the blade centering? Okay, not perfect. It's cheating to the show side maybe. How is the sharpness? Well, we'll cut ourselves up a calendar. Lassie, come home. Lassie, come home. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what we have on a paper cut test. Oh, we're stuck here. We're doing pretty good. Yeah, not that great. How about the foam peanut? Alright. Nothing on this first part of this blade. Oh, right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. So nothing through this first part. It doesn't really start till we get right about there. I'll put the size in the description here. I'll put the description in the description so you guys can check out the measurements. Want to go ahead and measure, compare it to the ever popular Rat 1 so you guys can get an idea in size. And then bring out another knife. This one's, let me get this thing cleaned up. One of my favorite brands is the Tucson, and that's a Tucson TS16. And the reason I got that one out, it just reminds me a little bit, we've got that swirl pattern in the milled G10, about the same size. We're running D2 steel on this, and when you can get this, it's in that $33 price range. And I can tell you, it's sharp. Grab that piece of paper again. Get this out of the way. So that alone might be worth the extra 10 bucks. Well, we'll be looking at 15 bucks. And that, my friends, is how you cut a foam peanut. So look for the review on the Tucson TS16. Take a look at the flip side, pocket clips. I would actually trade pocket clips. This one is horrible, but that's that. So go ahead and see how's this one close up. This one has a late detent. Once it gets past there, nice close. This one has an early detent. So they did some things right. It's completely up to you what you guys are thinking. I want to compare this G10 here, and you guys can actually see the layers of G10 in there. And I guess we can here. Yeah, we can. So, but this one still feels more plasticky, more slippery, despite all those grooves. This one feels really good, and just, in my opinion, looks better. So let me know what you guys think. All right, thanks for checking out Rusty Miner.